this video, I'll be showing you how to export your Tableau visualization to PowerPoint or into PDF format. So I'm going to be plotting a bar chart and I'm going to be exporting it. Let's just put duration, days. I have my bar charts. So the first thing I do is to go to File in the menu. You see the several options here: export as version, export as packaged workbook, or as PowerPoint. Now, when we click on this option, it's going to say include this view. If I have multiple sheets, multiple view, I'm going to select as many. So, yes, specific sheets or just the entire view. So I'm going to export, save. So another thing is to also export to my PDF, to a PDF format. So I'm going to come here, File, and there is no option to export to PDF. So I'm going to click on Print. That's where we're going to be doing the magic. Now it's going to give me this option. So underneath it, you see PDF. Do not click on Print. So you see PDF menu, then click PDF. Then you can see Save as PDF, Save as Postscript, Save as Other options. It's the same thing. It looks so similar. Just that it has two sheets because I have multiple bar charts compared to what I have in my visualization. Yeah, it's actually a very long bar chart.